This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brady Den Blaker. Gorgeous property with an amazing house and shop on near 5 acres. The home is 2,444 square feet. With 4 beds and 2.25 baths. A beautiful expansion in 2017 added a gorgeous primary suite, laundry / mudroom, walk-in pantry, large bonus room and carport. The open kitchen and living area are inviting with a large quartz island as a natural gathering place. Other features include all stainless steel appliances, 3 mini splits with AC, tankless water heater, in-floor heat in primary, laundry on main and upstairs, new LVP flooring, deck and patio, wired for generator, and so much more. There's room for horses with a 2-stall stable and small paddock, plus a designated round pen area. The property is also fully fenced with a gated entry plus the massive 48x36 shop. For more information, review the details below.